What's up everybody? Today we're going to build a jig for the control arms. So if you're watching this video, chances are you saw where we built tubular control arms using this jig. If you haven't, links in the description. Let's break it down for you. Step 1. Remove and tear apart the control arms. So we're going to start with our uppers, making the jig here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make the jig compensate for both left and right control arms. So we got it stripped down here. Let's get it set up. So what I've done for now is we've got some 3/8 bolts here that actually line up with the ball joint bolt holes. And I set some nuts on there. We'll line this up like so. That'll set like that. And then what we'll do is we'll take some scrap metal that I've got here, line it up here. We've got some nuts to go through the cross shaft mounting holes. They'll go up like so. What I'll do is I'll take these nuts and I'll level this to where my level reads good and plumb. And then we'll tack the bolts. And we'll do the same on this end for the right hand cross member. Or I'm sorry, the right hand control arm. All that struggle. I forgot my moons. Whatever they're called. If you know what those are actually called, put it in the comments. So as you could tell with the time lapse, sometimes you just have to ride the struggle bus, but we got it done. Got our leveling studs in there for the ball joint. Cross shafts welded up. A little bit of welding pouring for you. Now all we gotta do is repeat the exact same thing on the other side with the other cross member, only because of the fact, if you hadn't noticed, our cross shaft is castered a little bit. Sorry for that jerk, I just burnt my finger. So we're going to use the other cross member, that way we can get a proper line up on this side. So let's get to it. And there you have it, a quick jig for control arms. Just to recap, we used 2x6 120 wall. I had some 1x3 laying around, and then we just used some random hardware. And now we're ready to build our tubular control arms. So if you guys like this video, please hit that subscribe button if you'd learned something. I know I did. Sometimes you gotta struggle, you know, but that's the name of the game. So thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.